Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making these amazing twine globe slash balls, whatever you want to call them. I'm going to call them globes because I'm more comfortable calling them globes. But yeah, I think they turned out really nice. These take a while to do because the process is easy and real quick, but the waiting for them to dry and then to pop them is just a long process, that is. So basically, anyway. So if you're new to my channel, my name is James. I'm an interior designer here in Ireland, and I'd so appreciate it if you click that subscribe button, and also all my social media links are linked down below. Go check me out on them. I'm always posting really fun and cool stuff over on my Instagram if you want to go check that out. And also I'm going to be doing an Easter week this year, which involves me uploading like a DIY every day for a week, which is really exciting and scary, and I feel like I'm gonna regret it when it comes to that. That's like in not next week, the week after, so subscribe to catch that because that'll be really fun. And so anyway, let's get into this video. Okay guys, so what you're first gonna need to do is get your supplies. I used twine, balloons, cling film, water, PVA, and you're gonna need scissors as well to like cut the twine, you know, and that's all you need. You can get all this stuff in your local craft shop, or you can go on like Amazon or Etsy, whatever you want to do. I got the twine on Amazon and I got the rest in the craft shop. Okay, so let's get into how to actually make these twine globes. So you want to first of all is blow up your balloon, and then once you blow up your balloon, you want to get cling film. Now the cling film is so important because you have to wrap around your balloon, because this stops the twine actually sticking to the balloon, which you don't want to happen because that's just like a nightmare. And after waiting 8 hours and popping the balloon and all getting like shrunken and compressed, is just like heartbreaking. I know this because I had to make it again because the first time I didn't put cling film on it, and yeah, it was awful. But anyway, so put your cling film on it, and then you're going to want to get your PVA and water mixture together, and you're going to like put your twine into that mixture, and then when it's kind of when all the twine is all completely covered, you're going to wrap around your balloon and do this like until your balloon is completely covered, or until you have enough twine on it that you would like. And then once that's done, you're going to let it dry for 8 hours, and then when it's completely dry, like the twine is solid like rocks, you're going to want to get your needle or knife, whatever, and just stab it to the balloon and let the balloon pop, and you'll have your lovely twine globe ball, and that's it. And then you can hang it up. You can put it over a tea light, I don't know, like you can put it as a lampshade, I don't mind, do whatever you want. And yeah, it just is so fun and so easy. And you can even accessorize it with like little butterflies or flowers, or you can get fairy lights and put them in. Like, you can literally do anything. The possibilities are endless. So anyway guys, that brings me to the end of today's video. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button. It's really appreciated, and comment down below what you thought. I love reading your comments. It makes me so happy that I get to interact with people. It's like the best thing ever. And also let me know if you're excited for Easter week, and if there's any DIYs or anything that you'd like to see or learn how to do, or any specific content you'd like me to film for that week. Just let me know and I'll answer. So yeah, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.